Well, hey family, this is Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. Want to first thank all our new subscribers for joining us here on the Jewelry by BDK community on YouTube. And I had a couple ladies that were asking me about polka dot beads, 25 millimeter. So these are some of the 25 millimeter painted dotted beads. I am shipping these out this morning to Miss Crawford. Thank you for your order. I appreciate it. More of these beads will be going up on Jewelry by BDK. And I might be putting some in the Etsy shop. Not really sure, but I am. By the end of the day, these should be up on jewelrybybdk.com. 25 millimeter. And I do have some other colors. So those colors, polka dots will be up there. Polka dots is like really popular. People like polka dots. I like polka dots too. I don't know if it's like nostalgia or like, they seem vintage or what it is, but I dig polka dot. It's just something about the polka dot beads. Just polka dots, period. So these are all going up. Those are some red ones back there. Not polka dot, just beads that she wanted. So take a look. And thanks for joining us here in the community. We'll talk.